Have you ever paused to consider how the world might look today without the monumental contributions of Sir Isaac Newton? Picture a reality without the fundamental laws of motion, a universe where the force of gravity remains a mystery. It's a daunting thought, isn't it? Born on Christmas Day in the year of 1642, in the small English town of Woolsthorpe, Lincolnshire, Isaac Newton would grow to change our understanding of the universe forever. A premature and tiny baby, no one could have anticipated the impact he would have on the scientific world. Newton's curiosity was kindled during his studies at the King's School in Grantham, but it was at Cambridge University where his intellectual prowess truly began to shine. He delved into the works of the great philosophers and mathematicians of the time, yet he was not content to merely learn from others. He yearned to explore, to understand, to discover, and discover he did. In 1687, Newton published his groundbreaking work, Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, more commonly known as the Principia. Within its pages, Newton outlined his 3 laws of motion. These laws not only explained how objects move, but they became the foundation for the study of physics. The first law, often referred to as the law of inertia, states that an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion, unless acted upon by an external force. The second law established the relationship between an object's mass, its acceleration, and the applied force. The third and final law, known to many as for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction, underpins the principle of interaction. Yet Newton's thirst for knowledge was far from quenched. In the same Principia, he introduced the world to the universal law of gravitation, a concept that explained why apples fall from trees and why the planets orbit the sun. Newton's brilliance, however, extended beyond physics. He made significant strides in the field of optics, investigating the nature of light and color. His experiments with prisms led to the understanding that white light is a composite of all colors of the spectrum. This discovery was so profound that it laid the groundwork for the field of spectroscopy. Summarizing Newton's life and work, it becomes clear that his contributions were not just monumental, they were revolutionary. From a small town in England, Newton's ideas reached the corners of the universe, fundamentally changing the way we perceive and interact with the world around us. His laws of motion and gravitational theory continue to underpin much of modern physics. His work in optics paved the way for future scientific exploration. Newton's life serves as a testament to the power of curiosity and the potential of the human mind. In the face of adversity and in the midst of the unknown, Isaac Newton dared to question, dared to explore, and dared to understand. He was not merely a man, he was a force of nature, much like the ones he spent his life studying. So, the next time you marvel at the stars, remember Isaac Newton. Remember the man who dared to ask why the apple fell from the tree, and in doing so, uncovered the fundamental laws that govern our universe.